Well, howdy, folks. It's Captain Banana. I've calmed down a little bit. Not much. Anyhow, it's December 30th. That's right. One more day. And then 2022 is history. So, hope you all survived that winter we had. I know I did. I'm down to like 4 minutes left on my 70. Yeah, thank God I'm getting 10 and a half hours back for recaps at midnight. So I just want to wish you all a Happy New Year, and hopefully 2023 will be better than 2022, which was better than 2021, which was a hell of a lot better than 2020. But yeah, all kidding aside, Happy New Year. Y'all have a good one. Be safe.